Have you ever thought why everyone on the internet is talking about self love, self growth, self improvement? Let me answer it for you. It is because you need to have a good relationship with yourself in order to let good things happen to you. Because if you don't have self love, what is self love? Believing in yourself, believing in good things happening to you, not getting scared of receiving things, able to receive for you because you think and you believe that you deserve it and you are putting that hard work in it to be able to reach where you want to. So, self love is not just about saying affirmations like I love myself, I believe in this, I believe in that, etc. etc. Self love is actually believing in things and working on them because you think that you are capable of doing those things, achieving those goals, and making your own world, making a world which is yours. You believe in your capabilities, you believe in universe, you believe that everything just works out for you. That is a true self love. Is you know what your worth is, you know what you're capable of, and you won't settle for anything less unless and until you receive it, you have it with you. So that is what self love is. For example, a same advice given to two different people, one person takes that advice and reach heights in his or her life, while the other person is still in the same situation and sulking deeper. Why it is like that? It was not the advice. Let's focus on that. It was not the advice. It was the person who received that advice. Same advice works differently for every people because it is their mindset, how they are taking that advice. Yeah, because a same advice given to a believer, given to a hardworking person, given to a person who has a strong mindset, will take it to the next level. Will take that advice to the next level, while the other person will believe that he or she cannot do it. He or she, it's too much for them because they think it's only imagination. It cannot come into reality. But that is just their mindset. So yeah, that is why self love is so important. This is what I believe self love is, and this is why you should believe in self love. And yeah, take advice, work on that advice. No, don't just be like people who listen to motivational videos and then they listen to motivational videos for 2 hours and then they go to sleep. Don't be like that. Yeah, results can differ, the timings can differ, but in the end, you will win. If you have done true hard work, if you have given your best, results would come to you. They will come walking towards you. You don't have to chase it. You don't have to chase anything. Everything will come to you. You just keep your head down and keep working, keep believing in yourself, and keep loving yourself no matter what. So yeah, wasn't it amazing? It was. It was for me. So this was lesson number 5. We'll meet in lesson number 6 of 27 lessons 5. Bye.